गुड आफ्टरनून राइट नाउ एंड वेलकम टू क्रिप्टो मनी गुरु में आपका स्वागत है दोस्तों. सो राइट नाउ वी आर एट 2.14 ट्रिलियन मार्केट एंड इट्स अ गुड बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज who invested in big coins like Ethereum, like Bitcoin, like BNB, XRP, ADA, now they are facing a huge downtrend right now, and that's why many people now will shift to altcoin. And in the discovery of altcoin, we have a new coin for you, which is very good coin and very good, backed by good team, and also good investors have invested in that coin, in that project. So this project may be give you good result like Cardano, like Polygon, like Matic, and like XRP. You can get good results, and please, it is my request that you have to bear with some noise in the video because my fan of my laptop is making some trouble, and we have some lockdown right now here, so that's why I can't change my fan of my laptop. So that's why please bear with the voice, the extra voice, fan voice, which is coming with the video right now you are listening. So which is that coin? First we will talk about that is RSR, Reserve Right Token. Yes, that is RSR. Why RSR? I will explain you everything about the project. It is in top 100 mark right now, and total market cap is around 916 million, and it is 21%, more than 21% down in last 1 week, and 5.39% down in the 24 hours. So what is it? It is currently at trading, you can get it at below the 7 cent mark. It is based on Ethereum and XDAL chain. Okay, both. It is based on two platform, Ethereum and XDAL chain. And what is it? What is the work? It has a stable coin, decentralized finance and store of value, and already it is on watch list of more than 111,000 people, and it was launched in around at this time. Yes, it was launched at, I think, June or May, something like that. Yes, at this time you can see. And here we are right now at this place, but only few billion will come to this, and it will definitely go to near about 50 cent or 60 cent in between that, and your money will become around 10 or 12x, 5 times from the investment very soon. And now what is it? They are on Telegram also, and their Telegram total team is now more than 19,600 who have joined their Telegram channel. And the project, what is next? I tell you everything about it. You can see it's a Coinbase venture. It's a Coinbase venture who have invested in this coin, and this is the team. Nevin Freeman is Matt Elder, Charlie Smith, all these. This is the team who is creating this amazing project, and it is already major investor like Coinbase, like these all are invested. Even PayPal's is read somewhere here, a PayPal person, I don't know who. Yes, maybe. Yes, Peter is a co-founder of PayPal. Palantir Technologies, and the founder fund. He founded and funds the Thiel Foundation, which aims to further break through technologies and improve humanity's long-term future. Yes, big houses like Coinbase, like PayPal's management team, like other, they have invested in this coin. Yes, they have. And Sam is the president of Combinator, a co-founder and co-chairman of OpenAI and prominent angel investor. He has invested in Airbnb, Stripe, Reddit, Asana, Pinterest, and now he have invested in RSR. Yes, RSR will create you good money, because whenever you now we see what is the project. We saw the investor, we saw the team, now we see the project. We are building a stable coin that cannot be shut down and a network of decentralized fiat on off ramps. We believe that everyone's money should be secure. Billions of people around the world do not have a safe place to store their money. Banks in some countries cannot be trusted, and some governments inflate their own currency to pay off debts, hurting citizens in the process. With a few exceptions, money laundering, terrorist financing, we believe anyone in the world should be able to transact with anyone else. This requires low friction cross border transactions, which are surprisingly hard to do in many cases today. So they are in a way to create a big project where you can transfer your money anywhere in the world without then any governments interfere, and at very low cost. Yes, and if there is a good opportunity, then only good investor come to invest in that coin. Like Coinbase invested in Polygon, Binance Sport Lab invested in Polygon. That's why you can see the Polygon price is right now around more than it is around right now, yes, $1.68. And few days back, and around 15 or 21 month ago, it was below the 50 cent mark, and now you can see where it is. So you have to be careful when choosing a good money making or investment opportunity, because do not go for like this coins, SHIB, INU SHIB. This is I think it's a fake coin, fake person. Right now you can see every day it is coming down and down and down. Now all over the market is down, but it will go further down. It is not a coin, it is just taking the advantage of Dogecoin's name, brand name. That's why he created that shit coin. So as per my view, before investment, go for to do your complete study, how many social followers they have on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, then what is the project, which team is creating the project, who have invested in the project like Coinbase, Binance, everything. Then you go to invest in that coin, and what is the market cap of the coin, because you need that coin whose market cap is very low at the time when you invest, and must be in the top 100 or 200 or 300. That will work also. So it is a coin where if you will invest right now, it will create you the similar journey like Polygon or ADA. So if you like the content, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and share the video with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, Pinterest, Instagram, so they can benefit too from this study, and they can also make money from this study by investing in these types of coin which are really undervalued coin and altcoin for the future who are preparing themselves to run so fast and already backed by good team and venture capitalists. And also make a comment if you want to know anything more about the video or any coin. Please make a good comment, and thank you. Bye bye, and please subscribe the channel.